How to fix psmounterex.sys driver cannot load on this device in Windows 11. Hello friends, this issue occurs when using Macrium 8.1 backup and recovery software. When the software tries to mount the images, it fails and throws this error message. The issue started occurring after installing April 2026 security update for Windows 11 and 10. The reason is Microsoft has added the driver psmounterex.sys to the block list. However, there are workarounds for this problem. Follow the steps. The first method is turn off memory integrity temporarily. For this, click on Search. Type Security. Click on Windows Security. Go to Device Security and click on it. Click on the link Core Isolation Details and turn off this option under Memory Integrity. If user account control appears, click on Yes. You may have to restart your computer. Mount the Macrium image. After the image is created by the Macrium 8.1, you can revert back the memory integrity setting. Turn on this setting. The next method is modify registry. Click on Search. Type registry. Click on Registry Editor. Yes. Go to HK local machine and expand this by clicking on this arrow. Then go to System, this one, expand it. Then expand CurrentControlSet, Control, expand CI. Then select Config. Go to the right hand side window. Double click on VulnerableDriverBlocklistEnable value and set this data to 0. Change the value data to 0. Click on OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. This will disable the block list and Macrium 8.1 will work perfectly. You can do the same registry modification using a command. Open the command prompt. For this, click on Search. Type cmd. Select Run as Administrator. Yes. Go to the video description. In the video description, you will find this command. Simply copy this command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. The operation completed successfully should be the output. Close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to run Macrium 8.1. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.